Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Let me ask you a question. What's a goal of yours that you think is impossible? Maybe it's doubling your income without doubling your stress. Maybe it's finally creating a work-life balance that actually lasts. Maybe it's something deeply personal like getting in shape, writing a book, starting a business, or stepping into leadership in a way that feels authentic instead of exhausting. We all have that one goal that feels just out of reach, the one that we secretly want, but we don't admit it out loud because we're afraid of failing, or worse, we're afraid of disappointing ourselves again. That's what I want to talk about today, how to achieve more than you think is possible, how to achieve your impossible goal, even when your brain is telling you that it's not possible. Let's dive in. When I work with accountants and other high-stress and high-achieving professionals, I hear them say this same comment all the time. I know what I want, but it just feels like it's too big. They've accomplished so much already. They've built their careers, supported their teams, raised their families, kept everything running, and yet, when it comes to setting a big, impossible goal, they freeze. Because they're used to setting goals that they know that they can achieve, goals that feel safe. You know the kind: finishing the quarter strong, meeting a deadline, hitting your revenue target. You do it, you check the box, and you move on. But deep down, those goals don't stretch you. They don't ignite that spark of possibility. When you only set goals that feel comfortable, you're basically telling your brain that you only trust yourself to do what you already know how to do. And that's where your growth stops. An impossible goal, on the other hand, is one that makes your stomach flip a little. It's the kind of goal that feels too big, but also too important to ignore. When you think about it, your brain says, there's no way. But your heart whispers, what if there's a chance? That's where the magic begins. Because setting an impossible goal isn't about achieving it immediately. It's about becoming the person who can achieve it. That's what we work on inside the reinvention process. It's about learning how to expand your capacity, your mindset, your belief system, and your resilience so that you can create the results you used to think were impossible. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.